Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been requested to give a house tour for a very long time. आखिर जापान में घर होता कैसा है? So last year we bought this property in Tokyo and I'm going to guide you through the process of buying a house in Japan. So let's go. Namaste. Yokoso. This is the entrance of our house, followed by the LDK, and it occupies the maximum size in the whole house. Now let's talk about the process of buying a house. So we bought this house directly from the real estate company and it is newly built. Coming to the most important part, which is the loan. So if you are a Japanese citizen, permanent resident, or have applied for a permanent residency, you are eligible to get 100% loan from the Japanese banks without any down payment. Then comes the interest rate, which is very minimum. Ours is 0.375%. Now if we calculate, we pay the same amount of interest every month which we paid for our apartment rent previously. So it is definitely a good option to buy a house in Japan if you have decided to settle here. Of course, properties within Tokyo have higher values. If you want to check cheaper but bigger houses, you might want to look into nearby prefectures of Chiba, Saitama or Ibaraki. Sometimes those houses have 2 to 3 car parking spots, but it really depends upon your preference. For us, we have been living in the Koto and Edogawa ward of Tokyo for a very long time, so we know this area very well. And these wards are very convenient to live with your families, especially if you are a foreigner. Here is our bedroom and my dressing area. I decorated it with my personal touch. Well, there are several other benefits that you can avail if you have bought a house, and to know more about it, you have to visit your local tax office. And thank you so much for joining me for the house tour, and I hope I have answered most of your questions. Sayonara!